Hi, my name's Megan and we've just finished decorating our 2-bed flat in southwest London. So my thoughts on the final result are we love it. We were initially a bit apprehensive because my boyfriend and I have quite different tastes. So after we did the initial colour consultation with Tash, that helped us a lot because I think just her enthusiasm and knowledge just made us both sort of feel a lot more at ease. So I think how it's impacted the mood of the room, I think initially it was just very flat. It was kind of very beige and white and stark, and we really wanted to bring it in and just make it a bit cozier. I think our favourite part of the process probably was the colour consultation, just because I think I can probably be much more gung-ho about things and just throw a load of colours together and be like, it'll look fine, it'll look great. And my boyfriend is maybe a bit more cautious about his colour choices. So yeah, I think just having someone that actually knows what they're talking about, knows what shades would work in different lights in different rooms, it just made us both feel more confident about our own choices. The Greige colour that we painted it, I love. It's got a lot more warmth and depth than I'd expected. And we've also managed to kind of sprinkle in the teal on the cupboards and some green 02 in the bedrooms. And yeah, it feels a lot warmer and colourful than I'd expected. So on this staircase, we just had a lot of sort of marks on it, particularly on this banister, because it's obviously getting everyday use. So my boyfriend likes to swing around it on his way upstairs. So we just kind of wanted to freshen it up and get rid of all the markings on it. Tash actually originally wanted to paint it black, which I loved the idea of, but I think that, because it's sort of quite a big staircase, might have been too much of a statement. But so she kind of listened to both of our ideas. So for the sort of connecting spaces and hallway, I actually originally wanted to do it the same green as the bedroom, but then I thought again, just for the sort of continuity of it, and I have a lot of art that I want to put up on the walls, and actually having a sort of lighter, more blank canvas might be a better backdrop for that. And then in the dressing room, sort of same thing, it was just getting a bit marked, and again, this room gets used every day, and so yeah, we just wanted to give it a fresh lick of paint and yeah, spruce it up a bit because it was sort of looking a bit tired. So this space, the bedroom, is my favourite room. I just love the green. To be honest, would have painted the whole house in this if I could have. But yeah, I just really love it. I wanted to create a kind of sleep sanctuary for my work and travel and spending a lot of time in hotel rooms. I just love how they keep out sort of everyday life, and it really just becomes, yeah, like a kind of sanctuary for sleep. So that's really what I wanted. So we've just kept it very minimal and clean in here. It's like very low tech. And at night time, when all the blinds are down, it's like just a little sort of cozy nest. Yeah, we just keep this room for sleeping and I love it. That's all I want to do in it. So I think the redecoration process changed the way we use the space just by sort of naturally gravitating more towards the living room. Like I think before we were spending much more time in the kitchen, and now in the evenings I just can't wait to sort of bring my dinner in here and sit on the sofa. It's really nice by the fire, and just, yeah, I think we're just spending much more time in the living spaces rather than in the kitchen or elsewhere. And especially being home a lot more, I'm also working in here. We've kind of made a little study space. To be honest, now I just can't wait to start redecorating the kitchen. I just want to get in there and finish the redecoration.